Hello, I'm 1, I'm 2, I'm 3, I'm 4, I'm 5. And welcome to our world. Oh, Numberblocks world, we're gonna have a blast. Oh, Numberblocks world, we're gonna have some fun today. Fun today, fun today. With all of our friends, we're gonna have so much fun. That's right, we'll have a lot of fun. Me and you, best friends too. That's what we'll do in the Numberblocks world. Yay, yay, yay! Hiccups. Today, all the Numberblocks are getting their pictures ready for the Numberblocks school yearbook. Let's see what they're up to. There. When it's your turn, you go like this, and the camera will take a picture like this. Cheese! My turn. Cheese. Bread, cheese, bread. Cheese sandwich. Cheese. 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 Octoblock pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cheese. Achoo! Sorry. Cheese, not sneeze. Why do I always sneeze? Chew! Ow. 1 minute later. Hiccups, huh? I know how to cure hiccups. You stand on your head. I have a better idea. Drink a glass of water backwards. Harder than it sounds. Go. We need more help. Have no fear. Octoblock is here. He's got hiccups. I know what to do. Octoblock, boo. That usually works. Hiccups, don't worry. I got this. Lucky, 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 boo. We tried that. Out of my way. I'm coming through. Got 6 hiccup cures for you. Let's roll. 6. Cue number 6 it is. Boo. Boo. Okay. Cheese. Great photo, everyone. Hey, our hiccups are gone. Meanwhile, at school. Alright, parents, Alright, students, your parents just sent the class photos, and they are amazing. I bet you'll become rock stars.